Very good morning, students. In this video we are doing word-to-word explanation of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in Islam. We have noted that how Stephen Spender is very much alive to the contemporary social and political problems of his age. Now let's come to stanza number 3. Surely Shakespeare is wicked, the map a bad example. Here Stephen Spender says that Shakespeare is wicked for these children. There is irony in this sentence. Wicked है वो होता है शैतान. तो पोएट कहना चाहता है कि शेक्सपियर इन बच्चों के लिए शैतान है, बट द मीनिंग इज जस्ट अपोजिट टू दैट. लेकिन इसका जो मतलब है वो इससे बिल्कुल विपरीत है. शेक्सपियर शैतान नहीं हो सकता. ही वॉज ए ग्रेट पोएट ऑफ इंग्लैंड, बट चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट इन ए पोजिशन टू एंजॉय हिज पोएट्री एंड हिज प्लेज. शेक्सपियर्स poem give the message of love and harmony, but children cannot understand that message. So Shakespeare is surely a wicked for them. The map a bad example. Similarly, the map which show the progress of the world has no meaning for them. ये भी उनके लिए एक बुरा उदाहरण है. With ships and sun and love tempting them to steal, and these children steal articles of others children in order to survive in their life, for lives that slyly turn in their cramped holes. holes हैं वो बिल को बोलते हैं. cramped मैंने उनके टूटे हुए जो बिल हैं. and these children are living a secret life in their cramped hole. They live in holes from fog to endless night. ठीक है, from morning till night they are living in their cramped holes. अपने बिलों के अंदर है वो रह रहे हैं. On their slag heap, and they spend their life on waste garbage. These children wear skins peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel. These children are very hungry. They are victim of starvation. They are not given proper food. That is why their bones are visible through their skin. ये बच्चे हैं, ये भुखमरी का शिकार है. इसके कारण से उनकी हड्डियां हैं वो उनके शरीर से दिख रही हैं. स्पेक्टिकल्स ऑफ स्टील. स्पेक्टिकल चश्मा होता है. ओके, दे आर वेयरिंग स्पेक्टिकल्स विच इज मेड ऑफ ग्लास. मेंडेड ग्लास मीन्स ब्रोकन ग्लास. जो उन्होंने चश्मे पहने हुए हैं वो भी टूटे फूटे शीशे से बने हुए हैं. लाइक बोटल बिट्स ऑन स्टोन्स. जैसे कि बोटल है वो एक स्टोन पर गिर करके टूट जाती है, उसी अंदाज के अंदर उनके जो चश्मे हैं वो टूटे फूटे हैं. ऑल ऑफ देयर टाइम एंड स्पेस आर फॉगी स्लम्स. दे पास देयर टाइम in those classrooms, dirty classrooms, which are devoid of any facilities. So blot their map with slums as big as dome. Dome means death. Means these children's death is certain. They will die there only. They will not be able to come out of that school in their future. Their death is certain there. Unless governor, inspector, visitor. No, this is the concluding stanza of this poem. Unless governor, inspector